nag-ano na naman kami, nagsasagutan dahil sa ganyan-ganyan.
You know, you call that networking. When you network, you know.
Let's creep while you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
It's 7:20 in the morning. I just have to charge this phone because it's low bat. Since I got here, it's not charged because it's following me all the time. And anyway, guys, good morning. Still wearing the same thing, guys. You know, I'm just here. I don't go nowhere. So I'm not dirty. What's the point of changing? Go, changing, rearranging. Oh no, envelope sensation. Bum. Let's see if this egg's still good, guys, because we have this December. What? We have this since December. And let's see the expiration date. It's right here. Best February 26. So it doesn't say expired, it says best. That means it's still best in February 26, 2017. It doesn't say expired. If it says best, say that means you can still eat it. If it's expired, that means throw it out. When it says best in that day and then it's already past that date that they give you, that means it's not the same thing when it's hard to explain. You know what I mean? Well, I really want pancake. I talked to Tommy today this morning. I just hung up on him. Walang kausaban. Guys, walang kausaban. Katulad kagabi, nag-ano na naman kami, nagsasagutan dahil sa ganyan-ganyan. Sabi ko sa kanya, wag mo akong pogson. Oh my God. Wag mo akong pogson. Ay, Lord. Itawa na lang natin itits. Ay, goodness. Ito kasi nangyayari, guys. Sabi ko, wag mo na akong pugson, ha? Don't force me. Wag mo akong i-force, ha, na ano sa tawag yung gako sa Tagalog, ha? Na yakapin ko yung ina mo, halik-halikan ko, sabihin ko na mahal kita. Hindi yan mangyayari. Hindi talaga yan mangyayari. Wag mo akong pugson. Kung ano sa Tagalog yung pugson, guys. Wag mo akong pilitin na ganyan. Sabi ko, wag talaga kasi ay nako. Bahala nang wala akong bana, wala akong asawa. Wag mo akong pugson, ha. Okay na hindi ako magsalita, hindi ako magtitingog sa kanya, hindi ako walang imik-imik ka na. Sige. Sabi ko talaga sa kanya, ay, bahala na ako, guys. Mahal kayo na sabi ko, mahal kita, pero kung ganyan naman lang yung pakiramdam ko na walang sinong pakialam kung anong naramdaman ko, buti na lang mag-isa ako, sabi ko. Kasi alam ko naman na nagdadasal na yun sila na maghiwalay tayo. So, gawin natin. Kung anong naramdaman ko, sino namang wala namang pakialam kung sino sa inyo. Pati ikaw, sabi niya, wag mong sabihin, ha? Wag mong sabihin. Alam mo kung ano alam ko naman na, yung asawa ko, guys, na ano din siya sa nararamdaman ko. Kasi alam kasi niya, sabi niya, hindi na yan magbabago. Tanda na yun. Ang aga-aga. I'm just cooking egg. And I'm going to have my coffee. Oh, shucks. My thing burn. Susunog ang croissant ko, guys. Sunog. At tumawag yung asawa ko ngayon din. Kagabi, guys, grabe. Hindi ko na mapigilan. Hindi na ako takot. Sinabi ko na lang tahalaan sa asawa ko. Bahala na si Batman, ay. Kung maghiwalay tayo, ay sige. Pero ang sa isip ko, ang sakit. Pero sige. Mabait ako, guys, pero kung wala akong marinig. Ang aga-aga ko talaga ng... Yung bunganga ko, guys, ba hindi makapagbrino. I'm sharing you my life, so why not share not the whole thing, ha? This is really not the whole thing, guys. I'm sharing you what I think it's shareable. Shareable. Pagkatapos nun, guys, wala akong tinidor. Kunin mo na ang lahat. sa akin. Wag lang si mahal, mahal, hamal, hamal, mahal. Hi guys, I'm going to do relaxing. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to magtabisaw ako sa jacuzzi ko, guys. I don't know what I'm going to do. I probably go to the other house tomorrow morning, like early in the morning. I want to be there. I want to be there for my husband. He has an appointment tomorrow, and I miss my puppies. Gusto ko lang malaman ng iba. Hindi naman ito pang pa-discourage, ha? Yung ibang mag-asawa kayo, ask your fiancé or magtanong kayo sa mga boyfriend nyo or kanang yung fiancé na ninyo talaga. Yung sure na nadadalhin kayo dito. Kung kasama ba sila sa bahay, yung mga biyanan, yung mga kapatid, yung kung meron na siyang bahay na sa kanya, yung ganyan, nung kahit nagrenta lang, basta kay hindi na kasama sa bahay, fights na yun, guys. Hindi naman pang pa-discourage sa kasi bis kahit ibang bahay, hindi naman lahat ng nakatira sa biyanan ganyan, kasi may mga biyanan na happy-go-lucky, hindi yung sobrang fucking arte. And merong magkasundo, pero mas lahat talaga magkasundo sa una. Look, steak, chicken. The mungo and the rice, I mixed it. I separate the Tabasco. It's really windy, and this is what I'm kind of afraid of the wind. I'm afraid of the wind, guys. If you don't know me, I don't like the wind, like crazy windy. Like I can hear it from inside the house. Especially this house, you can hear everything outside. Right now, I'm looking at the porch and the backyard. The tree is like this. Hi friend, balik na naman ako. Ito guys, andito pa rin ako dito pa rin. Mag-snack tayo guys, mag-snack. Alam nyo yung anong i-snackin ko? Ito, it's open already. This cabinet that I opened the other day, it's still here. And I'm gonna have some of that. What I'm going to have is Sunkist. Be right back. Para sa atin sa Pilipinas ba, pag mag 3 o'clock na, mag-snack na din, bumili ng maruya, yung banana Q. Look, I have a Sunkist orange right here, and this is my snack with Skyflakes. I don't have a banana Q, so you have to dip. Kira. Anyway guys, I'm just going to edit the video here in the couch. It's been reclining since I got here. I don't even change it. What time is it now?
Oh, it's 5:05. I know. So I think a 2.5-hour trip home. I should be home by, depends on how the traffic goes, but I'm figuring the earliest 6:30.
It's very noisy.
I didn't hear what you were saying, so it was great.
It's very noisy.
You know, we call that networking. When you network with people you know, and they network with people they know, and ultimately you make contacts with people that you would never make contact with just through the network.
6:13 in the evening, and I've been chatting and talking to my friend. She's in Queens. I met her. Actually, she's from Cagayan. She's not Remy. She's a friend of Remy. I am looking for a job. I contact some possible people that I know who's, because you don't know if they're looking, if they know somebody looking for a job and stuff like that. So, aalis ako mamaya. Kasi pag alis ako ngayon, if I'm going back to the other house, now, the traffic is crazy, so I rather do it later. I'm going to put this upstairs first. I'm using the other bag. I don't know. Let me turn the light on here. So I'm gonna use the other bag to put all my stuff. So ready na siya. May Bible talaga at saka Skyflix, panty liner. Ano pa ito? Naka ano lang siya dito lahat. Everything is just opened. I don't have a really good nice sweater in the house over there. Ito, balik na naman guys. If you see me all the time wearing this, because I love it. I'm just like job hunting right now online. And I need my laptop. I've been using my phone. I said, oh, this is crazy. I don't know why I use my phone. It's so freaking small. So, hi guys. Ano na, good morning na. 12:30. I'm going to start driving. I already nilagay ko na lahat sa sasakyan. Ready na. TV. Anyway, I fall asleep and I just like been watching TV since I get up. I get up actually 12 o'clock. So 30 minutes ago I woke up. I'm just gonna get a gas gas. Hi guys. Well, tomorrow is today, so I will see you later. Different vlog. Look guys, I'm here. And my families are here. They miss me so much. They kiss me. They give me kiss. Come here now. Come here now. Come here now. Just come to your baby. Yes, your baby now. You miss mama? No, you do. I love my puppy so much, man. I love my Rosie so much, yes. I love you. Oh my god, you give me too much kisses, baby. Oh, too much kisses. No, too much kisses. I love you. I know. Come here now. I love you, baby rocks. You guys wanna go out? Let's go out. Come here. Look us here. You miss mama too. You miss mama. Just you miss. He misses me too. The cat. Oh, dimple lords are here. Roxy, no. Let's go out, okay? So, barky, huh? Roxy, palabasin ko lang tong mga aso. This did it. I'm going to bed. Okay, sit up. Sit up. Good girls. Are you waiting for your turn? Are you waiting for your turn? I love you. I love him so much. Look at the camera. Look. I love you so much. Anyway, guys, see you tomorrow. Later this morning. Good night. Bye. It's over in America. American people doesn't care, but iba kasi dun sa atin. In the Philippines, it's really different. So, my skin